I'm interior designer Vanessa DeLeon, and welcome to one of my newest projects right here in Hudson Yards. This is my client's pied-à-terre. I really wanted the space to represent their cool vibe, and they love to entertain. That means it had to be glamorous yet functional, and it's one of my favorite homes that I've designed. I would describe my design style as glamolistic, a fusion of glamour and minimalism. 1920s meets 2040, and that's the tone I wanted to establish right away in this entry gallery. It's expansive at 40 feet and creates a real sense of anticipation when you enter the home. The textured wall covering creates warmth and depth, while the art wall creates a curated moment that still feels personal. And I personalized these artworks by Oliver Gal by putting their favorite drinks. My client loves espresso martini, and my other client loves making it a double. Things like this show my client's personality, and you always want to bring your client's personality in. From the entry gallery, you step into this main entertainment space. Confession, I had nothing to do with the most remarkable feature of this home, the 3 exposures. That's south, east, and west. You can practically watch the sun arc through the sky all day long. Originally, this was intended to be 2 spaces, the dining room over here and the living room here. Since this is their pied-à-terre, my clients didn't really need a traditional dining room. Liberated from the dining room concept, we decided to turn this space into a lounge. It's an interactive extension of the living room. We anchored it with this custom banquette where friends can gather for cocktails and conversation. The wallpaper creates a subtle ombre effect in its transition from dark to light, which of course plays beautifully with the natural light streaming through this apartment. I continued that idea with the upholstery on the banquette and the stools, creating that same soft gradient. We didn't want traditional art in the space, but we thought it needed something sculptural. So I brought in 3 waved chrome panels and hung them above the banquette. They add dimension and reflection without being a traditional mirror. And I just love the way the southern light bounces off of them. Lighting was an important detail throughout the entire home. For the lounge, I went with a flush mount linear fixture. That way, it stays a cohesive part of the rest of the room. But for the lighting here in the living room, I went big and bold. Here, I went for this chain link chandelier. I chose it not only because it was beautiful, but it was flexible. In the living room, we went with a relaxed layout. Because the room is offset, I didn't want to force a rigid center line. The swivel chairs are placed by the window, so if the conversation gets boring, you can swivel around and look out the window. For the sofa, we went for comfort and style. Yes, you can have it all. In the bedroom, it was all about one thing, the view. We wanted it to completely steal the show as soon as you walked in. So we got a little clever. We flanked the bed with mirrors, which means you're not just looking at the skyline, you're surrounded by it. And then there's the wallpaper. It has a stunning mother-of-pearl texture that really comes to life at sunset. And as the light hits it, the entire room glistens. It's subtle and romantic. This was the kind of project where the views were behind every design decision, but my client's lifestyle was front and center. Thank you for coming, and I'll see you soon.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.